Alright, our next animal, kind of cute, kind of cuddly, maybe kind of scary for some of you. The meerkat. Let's welcome Miss Hannah Carl.
Okay, so its kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, and then, yeah, the rest. But it's related, or it's in the mongoose family, and so it's related to like 33 different species of mongooses. So, they mainly live in southern Africa, like in the Kalahari Desert, which is like Angola, Botswana, and the desert is 359,000 square miles, and in Africa the meerkat population is about 500,000. And their population trend is like stable because they don't know if they're dying or increasing because like desert storms and stuff. And then they're least concern. They're 12 inches, like for female and male. And their fur color depends on the color of sand that they live in. So if it's like more orange, then their fur would look more orange. And their eyes, they're near, like they're bad with nearsightedness, but from far away they can see like really good. And so they're like mating. The alpha female picks a male to be her mate for like life, and they're the only ones that have pups out of the group. And if a different female in that group has pups, the alpha female either decides to kill them or like accept them as her own. And they're territorial, and like their territory size depends on like the amount of meerkats in the group. And so there's like 20 to 30 meerkats in a group, and they live in dens under the ground. And they're omnivores, so they eat both plants and meat, and then so they mainly eat scorpions, and their body's immune to the poison, and 95% of the food they eat is what they dug up from the ground. And they live 10 to 12 years in the wild and 14 to 15 years in captivity because they usually die in the wild of starvation. And their main predators are birds, jackals, large snakes, and hyenas. And they usually get eaten from birds, mainly. And their human relationship is like okay, because like Meerkat Manor was filmed, and like people would be around them, and it wouldn't affect the way that they live. But meerkats can kill humans because they get like diseases that they're immune to, but humans aren't immune to them. And yeah, this is my works cited. And yeah, that's it. Any questions? Okay, Jack.
Are those things that were in like Life of Pi on that one island? Those muskrats?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Levi.
Madagascar, is those the like little like squirrely things?
No.
Oh.
Okay, Dustin.
Is the Lion King, is that guy a meerkat?
Yeah, sing. Okay, Justin again.
Well, how do we kill things?
By biting it, because they usually eat insects, like things smaller than them. And Spencer. I guess they could, but I highly doubt they would kill them. Okay.
So how old are they when they become reproductive, and how many babies do they have?
1 year old is reproductive, and they usually have 4 to 6 pups
And then what kind of parental care is provided?
The alpha female stays with them for 2 weeks, and then the other meerkats take care of them.
Gotcha.
And then,
How fast do they run?
I don't know.
Thank you.
And then do they do any seasonal patterns?
No, they just live in the same place all season. And yeah,
And
hibernate.
how big a threat are those predators that you mentioned to the conservation of them?
Well, humans to them, I don't think are that big because there's not, like, you don't eat meerkats, I don't think, or make fur coats, so.
And then, the other question. Explain the diseases part again. I was confused. on
Oh,
that
like
part.
from stuff they eat, they can like pick up diseases, and their body's immune to like a lot of things. But like
They pick those up from humans because that was in your human.
No, like they pick it up and then they can give it to humans like living nearby.
Like what kind?
But I don't know. I was reading it and it says like sometimes the poison it like still stays on the animal and like if humans touch them it like can kill them.
Any other thing from Miss Carl? I think you got one over there.
Justin again.
It said like the tail on the pictures that the tail could be used as like a third leg.
Oh yeah,
How would that be used?
Cause like they stand on their like back two legs a lot, so like it helps with balance. Okay, do you want to exit out of this?